Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to show mic icon on the keyboard on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, I'm gonna show you my keyboard display. And then here you can see that there is no mic icon at the top of my device keyboard. Well, and then to show it, here please press settings at the top. And then you can choose voice typing option. Well, after that you can turn it on by pressing this button. Okay, now mic icon is successfully appear at the top of the keyboard. Well, that's the tutorial on how to show mic icon on the keyboard on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel.